So this one is the first problem of the model. You can take it as 1 for this model. So now see the problem. A firm pays 10,000 rupees for its equipment. So that means the cost of the equipment is 10,000 rupees and their operating and maintenance costs are about 2,000 rupees per year for the first 2 years and then go up by approximately 1500 rupees per year. So for the first 2 years the maintenance cost is 2500 rupees and later onwards 1500 rupees is increasing per year. When such equipments be replaced and the discount rate is 10% per year. The discount rate is 10% per year. So here the capital cost of the equipment was given. So capital cost is equals to, so the capital cost is denoted by C and that is 10,000 rupees. That was given to us. And next he has given us the interest rate. So interest rate R is equals to interest rate R is equals to 10%. So 10% means 0.1. 10% means 0.1. So now let us calculate the discount rate. So discount rate V is equals to 1 plus R whole power minus 1. So that is equals to 1 plus R is 0.1 whole power minus 1. So if you calculate that thing, you will get 0.9091 you will get, right? So now we calculated the value of V. So in previous model we have calculated the average cost. Now for the present model, if the interest rate is given, we need to find the weighted average annual cost. So that is equals to TC by N, the same thing. But here the total cost is changing, C minus S plus sigma Rn into V power N minus 1. So now we need to calculate those terms. So now let us find it for the first year. So I am going to find it for the first year. So what is the thing? First year. So in the first year, what is the maintenance cost? So the operating and maintenance costs are about 2,000 rupees per year for the first 2 years. So first 2 years operating or maintenance cost is 2,500 rupees. So then what is the discount factor? V power N minus 1. Now we need to calculate. So this one is discount rate and this one is discount factor. So now I am going to calculate this one. V power, now N is equals to 1. So V power 0. So anything power 0 is equals to 1. So now Rn into V power N minus 1. Multiply these two. Then 2500 we will get. Next sigma Rn into V power N minus 1. Previously there are no values. So the cumulative value will be also 2500. And next C minus S. Here any scrap value is not given. So S value is equals to 0. So we can write directly capital cost. So that is 10,000 rupees. And next we need to find the total cost. So that is C minus S plus sigma Rn into V power N minus 1. Then we will get 12,500. Next sigma V power N minus 1. So sigma V power N minus 1 is equals to this one. Previously there are no sigma terms, so that why only it is 1. So then weighted average is equals to TC by sigma V power N minus 1. TC by sigma V power N minus 1. So TC is this one, sigma V power N minus this one. So 12,500 by 1, we will get 12,500. So this is for the first year. And next we need to find it for the second year. So for the second year also the maintenance operation and maintenance cost is 2,500. So here it is already given for the first 2 years operation and maintenance cost is 2500. Next v power n minus 1, v power now n is 2, so v power 2 minus 1 means v. So what is the value of v? 0.9091. Next sigma value means we need to add the previous one also, so 1 plus 0.9091 means 1.9091. Sorry. Next Rn into v power n minus 1 means multiply these two terms, then 2500 into 0.9091. So we will get 2272.75. So write that thing 2272.75. Next sigma Rn into v power n minus 1 means add these two. So then we will get 2500 plus 2272.75, you will get 4772.75. Next c minus s is constant value, that is 10,000. Next add these two, we will get 14772.75. next sigma v power n minus 1, so now add these two, so that we will get 1.9091. then divided by these two, we will get 7738.07. So if you observe this thing, the value goes on decreasing, so we need to go for next year also. So if you go for next year, third year, so in the third year the maintenance cost value is increases by 1500 rupees per year, then add 1500 to 2500, then maintenance cost will become 4000 rupees. Next v power n minus 1, so v power now n is 3, so v power 3 minus 1 means v square. So if you calculate v square, v value is 0.9091 power 2, so then we will get 0.8264. so take first 4 digits, 0.8264. next Rn into v power n minus 1, then we will get 3305.60. next calculate sigma value means add these three, so or you can up to these two terms sum this one, so add this one to this value, then you will get 8078.38. c minus s value is 10,000 and that is constant, and next one is total cost, so 18078.38. next sigma v power n minus 1 means add these three or add this one to 0.8264, then you will get 2.7355. so divided by these two, you will get 6608.79. next take the fourth year, so again 1500 rupees is increasing, so then maintenance cost is 5500. next v power n minus 1, so v power now n is 4, v power 4 minus 1 means v cube, so if you take v cube, then that value is equals to 0.7513. next Rn into v power n minus 1, so then you will get that 4132.15. next sigma value means add this one to this, so then you will get 12210.5. next c minus s already we know, this one is 10,000, and next total cost 22210.5. Next sigma v power n minus 1. So 2.7355 plus 0.7513. Then you will get 3.4868. Next total cost by sigma v power n minus 1. Then you will get 6369.88. Okay. Next. So here if you observe, the weighted average value goes on decreasing. So that's why we need to go for 5th year also. So again add 1500 to this maintenance cost. So then it will become 7000 rupees. So v power n minus 1. So v power now n is 5. V power 5 minus 1 will become v power 4. So if you take v value 0.9091 power 4, you will get 0.6830. Next Rn into v power n minus 1, you will get it as 4781.00. Next sigma value, add this one to this, then you will get 16991.5. Next c minus s, already we know that, so it is 10,000 rupees. Next total cost, it will become 26,991.5. Next sigma v power n minus 1 means add this one to 0.6830, then it will become 4.1698. Next this one, calculate the weighted average, then it will become, so that means total cost by sigma v power n minus 1. So if you do that, you will get 6473.09. So if you observe to the previous value, the weighted average value increased, so we can stop at 5th year. So now what is the minimum value we got? 6369.88. So now what we can conclude that? So we can conclude that the weighted average value is minimum, that is 6369.88 rupees in 4th year. Hence the equipments should be replaced at the end of 4th year. So like that we need to write the conclusion statement. So I think you understand this one. So in a previous problem the interest rate was not given, so we solved that in that case, but here the interest rate was given as 10%, so that's why we are calculating the best age of replacement through this procedure, right? So I hope you understand this one. Thank you.